Hi, are you just as excited as I am to review the Neewer ring light? Well, I purchased one from Amazon, so let's do that today. Hi, I'm Winona and welcome to my channel at SmallwoodEnterprises.ecomm, where we are sharing what we love for SmaVolve.com. And today, let's unbox and test the 18-inch LED Neewer video camera lighting kit. Okay, so for the unboxing, first thing I'll show you is the Neewer storage bag. Okay, very nice. Good idea to store your products. Across here, you have a zipper. If you can see, it has storage compartments. Very nice. It looks like the light is in here. Okay, so I'll show it to you. Front, you can see, front and back. Another reason besides the lighting is that right now the way I'm recording to you is from a makeshift stand. So with the ring light, I'll be able to attach my iPhone, my iPad in a way where, you know, I'm recording at a normal height. I don't have to make a makeshift stand in order to do the recording. So I think that's another pro about the ring light. Okay. So we'll put that to the side safely. And let's open the box. Maybe I should sit down. Is that better? How's that? Okay, so in this box, just lift it up so you can see it. It's the accessories pack. Let's look at each item. So here are the infographic instructions. And right here, if you look, it will show you all of the contents for it. Got the LED cover panels, 2 of these. Also have the Bluetooth remote shutter. Okay, smartphone accessories kit. We have power cables. Looks like a pole adjuster, height adjuster. A few more accessories. Looks like the tripod accessories. And also another accessory holder. I did also purchase this tablet holder mount just for the iPad. I'll show you that. So you place the tablet here and make adjustments for the inches of your tablet. So mine is a 9-inch. and you stick it in so to hold it. And then one more item. Woo! The stand, baby. There we go. Look at that. Looks like it's nice and sturdy, huh? We'll see. Huh. Okay, here's a thank you from Neewer. It says, "Dear customer, thank you for your recent purchase. My name is Lucas Parker and I am the Customer Service Director of Neewer Technology. Our team is committed to your 100% satisfaction and we want to know if we met that goal. If for any reason you are not happy for this purchase, please email me at vip@neewer.com and I will do whatever I can to help out." Nice. All right. So why don't I pull all this together and then we can test it out and look at the before and the after. So right now, this is what the lighting looks like without decent light. So if I turn on my other lamp, get that kind of fuzzy glow lighting that's not really clear. It's okay, but I don't like it. Okay, so I'll get started and I'll see you soon. Bye. Say hey. You come to visit again, huh, baby? Good. Okay. Go play. All right. Can you see me okay? Let's see. Okay. So the lighting keeps going in and out here, but we'll work with it. All right. So let's put this together. So first, so we're gonna take the folding stake, which is this. Just pull. This is a tension knob. This one. Ooh, wow! Look at that, huh? Look at that. I'll just tension it right away. A screw on the middle pole. Extend the light stand to the height you want. Tighten the screws again. So, here's the middle. You can see. So you just untighten these screws here. Ooh, honey, look at that. All right now. So for me, looking at how it's set up, we may just go with this height because I want the ring light to be at least face level, right? Let's tighten this one also. You can still see this. Ha-ha. Yeah, a little shorter. So we'll unscrew a portion and then we'll tension it back. Just gently. Don't want to break it. This is gonna go like this. So you unscrew. And this you can actually adjust the angle. So based on the instructions, you can have it like this. And you can adjust it with this screw here to the angle that you prefer. So let's say I want to do a nail tutorial or showing something where you're like this. Maybe this would be good for people who do crafts, who do nails. You can have it adjusted this way. That's pretty cool, huh? Alright, so let's stick this on here. Whoa. Let's bring the height down a little bit more. I don't want it to topple over. Okay. I'm so short, but this is fine. This is great. And we'll just tighten it one more time. And tighten up here as well. So far, so good, huh? It's a quick installation, but so let's place the filters in. Let's see. You can still see. Oh. You have to make sure that the filters overlap correctly with each other. So this one is going to lip over this one. Just like so. Okay. That's the third one. And then let's put on the last one. Just make sure, once again, make sure that the filters overlap. Easy peasy. Okay, so there we are. So you can see here, there's different ways that you can do installs. You can install a mirror piece. Can you see that? And then also mirror with a cold shoe can be mounted on the ring light via cold shoe mount. Display effect after mounting mirror. So this is for someone who's, you know, doing makeup tutorials. You can see this. And then also the installation of the smartphone. Place the ball head on the ring light, cold shoe, female base, and screw it lightly. So let's try that one. Okay, so I switched gears, and I'm actually recording from my GoPro now, but I wanted to actually show you the device holder, at least one of them, and this one is for the iPhone. I do have an iPhone 8 Plus, so as you can see in landscape mode, it works pretty well. And then here at the base is like a tension screw, so you want to make sure that it's secured with that. Okay, so here we are with the iPad setup, and the iPad that I have is an iPad Pro. It's a 9-inch, like I said before, and the tablet holder I bought separately from this company here, Ulanzi. I didn't want to do all my recordings on just the iPhone, so I did want to have the option, if I wanted to do some recordings on the iPad, that I was able to do so. So once again, make sure it's secure at the base, and then as you can see, I left a little room here for the charging cable. So far so good. So let's go right ahead so we can turn it on. Okay, so this is with the room completely lights off, and so I turned the ring light on to see the impact of it, and I am amazed. Another great feature is that right next to the power, there is a dimmable switch. So you can dim it however you like. Give me cheekbone. Okay, a little higher. Ooh, that's too much. Ooh. Then this is at full power. Okay, let's bring it back down. I kind of like this level here. Wait. I mean, this light shows everything. You know, this is good for people who take selfies. I was trying to take a selfie the other day, and it was just so hard to do. I have some photos on my Instagram, but it was just, I swear, it took me a while to get the right position, you know, if it looked right to me. Okay, I think I like this level here. It's not too much, but it gives enough leveled mood. I like that. And this also comes with a Bluetooth remote shutter, which I bet if you sync it to your phone, you can take photos remotely, which is cool. There's a little switch on the side, and you just flip that switch on, and you can see the Bluetooth indicator kick on, just like that. And then you need to, depending on what device you have, whether it's Android or iOS, you need to go and download the camera app. For iOS, it's Camera 360. Here's the Bluetooth sync, the app, and a few selfies. So, in conclusion of this product review of the Neewer 18-inch LED light, I would say this is a yes. If you are into doing makeup tutorials, you're a model, you're interested in photography, and as you can see, I have the lights off in this room, but the light provides enough ample lighting that it does look right. So, question for you. What did you like about this video? If you have a ring light, what type of ring light do you have? Do you have a Neewer light? Do you have a different brand? Leave a comment. Tell me about your experiences with ring light. I would love to hear from you and talk to you. Subscribe to our channel. Once again, it's SmallwoodEnterprises.ecomm. Our website is SmaVolve. That's SMAVOLVE.com for more designs like this t-shirt, or if you're interested in other products. I have leggings, I have t-shirts, things in that nature. Just subscribe to us, and I plan to do more product reviews. If you have an idea, let me know also. To find all of the information from this video, product features from Amazon, I'll leave all the information in the description below. I'll talk to you guys soon in the next video. Bye. Say hi, Bella. Hi, sweetie.